Hi everyone, my name is Anna Morvan. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you two ways of making left linen decrease. SSK, slip slip knit, and SKP or SKPO, slip knit pass slip stitch over. This could be used in shaping or in lace patterns. If in lace patterns, there always should be a yarn over near to balance the amount of the stitches. Let me show you the finished items. This lace patterns uses SKP. This line is linen left. So we created a directed line with the SKP decrease. And this sock toe is formed from this side with the line of SSK decreases, as you can see. Take a look at these swatches. This one was shaped with the SSK made in every round, which creates such round shape. Yeah, this method is used in making round toe socks. And this swatch was shaped from this side with SKP. I made decrease stitches every other round in this case. That's why this shape reminds triangle. Also, there is like a little thing about making decreases every round or every other round. If you make them every other round, they create little steps. A little funny stuff. In Ukraine, in Soviet Union, we used to knit only round-shaped toes. My grandma, my mom, all the books I had. And then we started to copycat Western knitters, no offenses, and there were only these socks. But if you think so, I think the round shape of toe is more anatomically correct. SSK in its core meaning the same as knit two stitches together through the back loops. But if you knit in the round, or if you're working in British style, right loops of your stitches are in front, and it is inconvenient to knit them through back loops. So we need to change this position to make a knit untwisted decreasing stitch. So let's knit SSK, slip slip knit. Okay, first stitch here goes just knitted. So SSK, we need to slip one stitch as if to knit, slip the next stitch as if to knit, and place them back, putting our left needle through their front loops from left to right. And now the position of loops on the needle has changed, and now it is convenient to knit them through the back loops and make left linen decrease. Here it is. Here is this little one. You see, the first loop covers the second and it leans to the left. That's how this line forms. Let's do it once more. Let me finish this part. So, also, it is recommended to slip those stitches as if to knit. But in fact, what is really matter is to change the position of loops on the needle, on the left needle. So sometimes I just slip them like this, like I hold my right needle and place them back untwisted. Let's do it once again. That's how stitches lie. There are their right loops, front loops. We need to place them on back so I can pick them up like this and put them untwisted. Or, as it recommended, you are picking up like this, then you slip another one, place them back untwisted, and knit them together through back loops. And getting our left lean in the result. And let's make SKP now. Slip knit pass slip stitch over. This will be a little different and sometimes it is faster, as in my opinion. So first stitch is just knit. So slip first stitch as if to knit, knit the next stitch, and pass this slip stitch over the knitted stitch. And this slipped stitch is forming a lean to the left. Okay, let's do it once more. In this case, it is important to slip stitch as if to knit, then knit the next stitch, then slip this pass, then pass the slip stitch over, and maybe once more. Slip the first stitch as if to knit, knit the next stitch, and pass the slipped stitch over the knit stitch. Here we go. That's all for today. Thanks for watching me. Follow my channel. Have a great day. See you.